In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change form fonts in Jotform. Whether you're looking to give your forms a personal touch or match your organization's branding, modifying the font is a great way to start. Jotform makes this task seamless and straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can achieve the desired look for your forms. Let's get started. First, go ahead and navigate to jotform.com. Once there, sign in using your credentials. If you're new to Jotform or have forgotten your login details, there's a handy forgot password link to help you reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. When you're on your dashboard, you'll be presented with a list of your forms. Go ahead and open the form you want to modify by clicking on it. If you're having trouble locating your form, you can use the search bar at the top of the page for a quicker find. Upon selecting your form, you'll be taken to a detailed view of it. Next, look for the big orange Edit Form button and click on that to open your form in the editor. This will open the Form Builder, which is where all the magic happens. Form Builder is your main workspace in Jotform, providing you with all the tools you need to customize every aspect of your form. On the right side of the page, you'll see a small paint roller icon. This is the Form Designer icon. Click on it and a menu will slide out, offering several tabs for different customization options. Among these options, click on the Styles tab. This is where you'll find various settings to tweak the appearance of your form, including colors, line spacing, and yes, fonts. Now within the Styles tab, scroll down until you find the Font drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that drop-down and you'll be presented with a list of fonts. Jotform provides a variety of font styles to choose from, so take a moment to explore your options and select the one that best fits your needs or matches your brand identity. Once you've picked a font, the changes will automatically apply, updating your form to reflect your new choice. One of the great aspects of Jotform is that the form builder saves your changes automatically, so you don't have to worry about manually saving your progress. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully changed the font of your form in Jotform. This simple yet powerful customization helps you ensure that your form not only functions well, but also looks appealing to your users. Experiment with different fonts to find the one that makes your form stand out. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.